Okay, so we're going to talk about how to create a logo or an image, starting by using the shape builder. And the shapes are really useful in Illustrator. No matter what you're drawing, you can usually always start with some of your basic geometric shapes that you have here, and then use the shape builder window along the side and really create some interesting things. It can save you a lot of time. So I'm going to work on this logo right here, and we can see that it starts with a basic polygon. Okay, so hexagon. So I'm going to grab my polygon tool, and I'm going to make this black actually. And I'm going to draw that basic polygon. Okay, so there's my hexagon. I'm just going to move it down a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste that. So I'm going to go Command C and Command V, or Apple C, Apple V. And I'm going to copy that. I'm going to make that a different color just so you can see what it looks like. And I'm going to shrink that down. And I'm going to put that in the center. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to exclude or cut out the space in the middle here so it becomes open like that. So I'm going to select both. And then I'm going to go up to my shape modes here. And if this isn't visible on your screen, you can always just go up to Window and Pathfinder, and then that little tab will open for you and you can use your shape builder. So we've got 4 different options here. I can unite these two things together, which I don't want to do because I want to get rid of that pink hexagon. I can minus the front. I can use where they intersect, okay, which would delete the background here. And this one here, exclude. I'm going to click exclude. And you can see what that does is that actually removes that hexagon in the middle, and now I have a blank white space there, so you can see when I move that around it doesn't have that inside, but I've made a uniform shape with that hole in the middle. If I were to continue on with this, obviously I would need to change my color and create my gradient, but I could also go over and use my knife tool now, and I could cut here to separate what I need to in the upper image, and start clicking on my actual anchor points, and I can move these around, delete them, add them, delete these, and then start converting that to a curve, and eventually I'm going to get myself to the point of building this actual logo. So that's how we use the shape builder.